know. So we continue our chakra journey. Yeah, eyebrow chakra, 6th chakra, chakra of clarity, of mental clarity, mission, vision. Yeah. So we start approaching this chakra of your 3rd eye, eyebrow, by just giving a little, yeah, very soft. I'm just on the fascia, yeah, allowing, at the same time that I'm doing this, I'm allowing the air sometimes to go all the way up to my chest. I'm allowing, as I massage, the feeling of the rest of the head just to melt, and that I don't have to do much more than this, to trust, because this is a lot about trust. Trust your intuition. This is also chakra of intuition, vision. Yeah. So you could be there for a while, yeah? If you want to finish with this kind of clearing it out from the forehead towards the sides. And the sound that is going to become here is the sound E. It's no, if the other one was the E, this one is the E. It's between an E and an E, actually. You'll see. If you want to tap, also that can help. Like if you wanted to tap to kind of calling the sound all the way here, as if the sound, instead of going out through the mouth, which is what happens, but as an image, as if the sound could go through your eyebrow. Try. So on. So you see, you can try different volumes, but usually on these ones up here they want a little bit of volume, and yeah, and you can try different pitches, although as you saw I started in slightly high pitch. That also I find that helps me to connect with this upper areas. So there, see, after you do it for a while, if this changes anything in the way you perceive things, in the way you see, in the way your intuition sharpens. So see you on the last one, 7th chakra, to connect with everything else, and yeah, see you soon.